Machakos County's healthcare system is set for a major transformation following the installation of a state-of-the-art laparoscopy tower at Machakos County Referral Hospital. Governor Wavinya Ndeti received the machine, which was made possible thanks to a partnership between the Machakos County Government, Lariox Healthcare Limited, and the Operating Theatre Practitioners Association of Kenya. The advanced equipment is expected to modernize surgical services and improve patient outcomes across the county. The new machine has the capability to transform surgical procedures by allowing minimally invasive operations. It is expected to reduce referrals to higher-level facilities, easing pressure on larger hospitals and expanding access to specialized care within Machakos.
I am delighted to join Machakos County Referral Hospital for this important milestone in our journey towards transforming healthcare in our county. The installation of this laparoscopy tower marks a significant step forward in our efforts to modernize surgical services. Through this technology, our surgeons will now be able to perform minimally invasive procedures that are safer, more efficient, and allow our patients to recover faster and return to their families and livelihoods.